Where are we? Okay, come. Let's walk this way.
Explore down here. Walk all the way back to
It's all the food options. People are lining up already. Let's drop one. I would not go on that. I would not go on that. Imagine winning one of these big teddies and then you have to like walk around with it.
You don't realize you're winning. That's the problem.
Have you had that before? Oh, I saw some on that video. I saw somebody buying that.
It's just 2 waffles and ice cream. It's so messy though.
Yeah, because doesn't it melt?
Yeah,
You'd have to eat it like really fast.
I know. They don't even give you like a bowl or anything.
Can't wait to go on that.
I'm not.
Yes, we are. No, it's not. Did you go in that building?
Huh?
You went in that building?
Huh? This building? Yeah.
This is already open. You can take it on the way back. Yes. Yes, we are. No, it's not.
I just fell off one of these things.
It's fine. There's two people working on it.
Dada, if you went on a ride that someone fell off you, you wouldn't want to go on it again.
riders per seat. The car will
They'll help you. No?
5 minutes later.
Here, come.
just stand over there.
Okay. Okay, get ready. Let's sit.
For riding, please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest.
Why do you do this to me? Why does everyone do this to me?
Don't think
Why
about
does
it.
everyone do this to me? Why?
Just
First
relax.
it's Mama, now it's you. Why does everyone do this to me?
Look, everyone's smiling. Just have fun.
Because it's high. I don't like height. I don't like height.
No, then we can't go on the roller coaster. Make sure your Crocs don't fall off.
It's not.
Hey, what's that one? Oh, that's Crazy Mouse.
Yeah.
Then we can go line up for the Ferris wheel, the big one. It's probably gonna be a big line.
I don't like
Are
this.
there any drops on here?
No.
Look at that.
There's a plane there.
Hmm?
Look, the plane.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if I see the air show practicing today. Look at all the garbage on there. And when you get off, you just go forward. Like
I
run.
don't like getting off. Look at that. Was he going that?
No.
I don't like this.
Andy, we're almost gone halfway there now. We got it over with.
I'm not ever doing this again. Why
And
does everyone force me on these rides that I don't like?
next year.
Don't you understand that I don't like this stuff?
Look, there's little babies down there.
Yeah, but I don't like heights.
Okay, you're fine.
Why is it stopping?
I don't know. And look, Oh
Take,
no.
look. Do not hold on to this. Mama tried to get me on that boat ride, but I was too scared. Mama tried forcing me on that.
Oh.
Are these here all the time, even when the CNE is not here?
No.
Oh. When will this be over?
Wanna go on it again after?
No,
I go on the way back.
no.
It'd be cool in the nighttime.
I'm just scared to get off.
How'd you get up last time?
You just jump off. Look at LA. Look.
Yeah.
Did you go on that?
No.
Oh, okay. Why are you holding on like
I
that?
feel like I'm slipping.
Huh?
I feel like I'm slipping.
What? You do?
Yes.
Sit up straight. Why are you sitting like that?
Because the way I have my camera.
Now you're the one falling.
I'm not, don't say that.
What? Dude, I almost fell off.
Okay, don't think about it.
Sit up straight. Why are you?
I am, I'm fine.
That's
That's
why you should take off your bag.
No, it's I'm taping. That's BMO field. Holding onto your bag?
Huh?
Holding onto your bag?
Yeah.
How far does this go?
Like it's far. It goes all the way down there.
Or would you rather walk all the way
I
back?
would rather walk than be on this thing.
Look at that thing. What is that?
Huh?
Oh, that's that spinning thing?
What?
That pink thing.
Yeah. Have you ever been on Starship before? Is that where you like stuck to the wall and it spins? Have you been on that?
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know. I think so.
Is it scary?
I wouldn't go on it. No, I don't like to spin.
Mama tried to get me on that too, but I didn't know what it was.
What's that one? Pharaoh's Fury?
Huh?
Pharaoh's Fury?
Yeah, that's the boat. Look at that plane.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
I'm almost done.
It's not. It's so far.
Why is it so high?
Huh?
Why is it so high?
I know.
What's he laughing at? Look, that one's empty. How many tickets does this cost?
I think 5. I don't want to get off this thing.
Just watch what other people are doing and
Just
just,
jump off. But like,
they'll help you. They'll lift you off.
you're gonna have to hold my bag, please. I
Okay.
can't. It like goes all the way down there. Like, what was the point of this? We could have just walked. not, because you have to walk back here anyways.
No, then that's the end.
Yeah, so you have to walk all the way back here.
It's okay.
Like a
having fun.
helicopter. It's CB24 there.
Uh-huh. Why don't you take a video?
Are we gonna go on this?
What?
This.
I guess. How much further?
It goes all the way down there. Can't you see?
Is that the end?
Yes, I've been saying that. Look, they're parking here. Why don't you just like drive
This is
here?
$40.
You have to pay?
Yes. Think it's free?
Huh?
Think anything is free?
No, the parking.
No, it's not free. Look at the BMO field. It's cool.
I'm really scared.
Is there a weight limit on this?
I don't know why.
I don't know. There must be.
We're going down now.
Show your feet. But Angie, stop shaking on here.
Why?
Never mind. Stop doing that.
Why? You scared?
Yeah, because you're shaking the whole
Oh,
thing.
you're the one who
Just for a
wanted
stupid
to
flight.
come on here. So that's what you get now.
Put your feet out.
No.
Show your feet.
No.
Is it a drop here?
It's not gonna go fast.
Which direction did you go last time?
That before, like
Did you go this way,
going
same way,
was
or
on this
the other
side.
way?
Before going was on this side. So I almost fell off here.
Okay, so
This
it's-
is like the area I almost fell off.
Okay, so then don't worry.
I mean, don't worry. I'm
You
not going on this ever again.
look, she has a Nirvana shirt.
Okay, get ready and hold my bag. Get ready and hold my bag.
Just wait, there's still time. They'll stop the ride so you can get off. You see how the thing keeps stopping all the time? It stops when the guy touches it. Now watch how they're doing. You lift it and then go forward to the
Get
left.
off. Just jump off. Hey, hold my bag. Hold my bag. Get it off of me. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Just chill out.
Exit that way, please. Thank you. Have a good morning.
Thank you, you too. And how is it? You survived.
Remember, the sky ride does
Oh,
not
that's